Here's a really cool patch from my friend Neovintage. Great idea, and pretty simple. We take the CV out of the modulation oscillator, with it in audio mode, or getting close to it, and send that to the random in on the Toolbox card, and then take two separate random voltages out and blend them in the CV mixer of the Toolbox and send that. In this case, I'm going to send it to pitch and to timbre. I've also added sending the randomness back onto itself of the modulation oscillator, so that's what you were hearing there. Taking it off, and now adjusting the tenuverters. And going up further into the audio range. Lots of fun on this one. Thank you, Neovintage. This rocks.